6, multiplication of polynomials. So in this lecture video, I'm going to show you how to take monomial or monomial times another monomial, and I'm going to show you how to take monomial, which is one term, times polynomial. So before we multiply, okay, let's go over this again. When we multiply polynomial, okay, exactly what we do is multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. Because when it comes to, for example, 2x times 3x, this is only one term, all right? Everything is dictated by the term. So when we are multiplying, my problem is only one term. So within one term, 2 times 3 is 6, all right? X times x, okay? When the base are the same and the base are multiplying, the rule for the exponent says we got to add the exponent. Therefore, I get 6x squared, which is very different as compared to 2x plus 3x, which now I'm dealing with two different terms. So I no longer have x times x. Okay, I'm actually not even trying to, I'm not trying to multiply my x's where I have to use the product rule where I need to add the exponent. So that's not what we're doing here. This is not one term. So when I have multiple terms and I'm ready to combine them, I just take 2 of those x's, add on to 3 more, and I get 5 of those x's. Okay, so when it comes to combined like term, we only add and subtract the coefficient and do nothing with the exponent. But when it comes to multiplication, we have to multiply the coefficient and also add the exponent on the variable. So this problem, if I'm taking one term times one term, okay, basically this problem is saying negative 3xy to the third times negative 2xy to the third. All right, so negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. X times x, x squared. Why? Because I'm multiplying. Everything is multiplication here, so everything is only one term. So when it comes to multiplication, for the variables, we have to add their exponent. So y to the third times y to the third got to be y to the 6th power. Okay, that'll be y to the 6th power. All right, so this one right here on the right is basically saying negative 5y squared times negative xy to the third. Okay, so negative 5 times negative 1 is going to be positive 5. All right. Y to the second times y to the third is y to the 5th, because we're going to add the exponent. So this x should still be there. So that's why when we say negative 5y squared times negative xy to the third, it got to be positive 5xy to the 5th power. Okay, so don't forget there's an x right here to the first power. So by writing my answer in alphabetical order, okay, x got to come before the 5. Excuse me, x got to come before the y. All right, let's take one term times multiple terms. So same technique as we done in the previous video, do our distribution. So this is 3x times negative 2x. So 3x times negative 2x is going to be negative 6x to the second power, right? Because I have to add the exponents for the variable. So 3x times negative 6, that will be negative 18x. Okay? And that's it. These two are not like terms. I cannot combine them. All right, this one on the right. So they purposely put the negative 2x here and the 3x here to indicating that's one term times multiple term. Technically, this negative 2x don't even need to be in the parenthesis. Okay? Because this is just one factor here. Start doing the distribution on the 3 terms in the inside, or the 2 term in the inside here. So negative 2x times negative 3x squared. Negative 2x times negative 3x squared got to be positive 6x to the third power, because I have to add the exponents for the variables. All right, negative 2x squared times positive 4x. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. X times x is x squared. So after a while, if you just say this long enough, your brain automatically add the exponents. Okay, negative 2x times positive 4x, negative 8x squared. So your brain is doing two different things simultaneously. Pretty cool. Negative 2x times negative 3 will just be positive 6x. Okay, so when we're multiplying, okay, our brain is multiplying the numerical, which is a coefficient, and our brain is also adding the exponent at the same time. Okay, so we do two simultaneously, and it takes practice. The more we do, the more you do, the easier multiplication become. All right, that will conclude this lecture video on taking one term times one term or one term times multiple terms. Okay, thank you for watching.